see this handsome boy. Are you a boy? This is Loki. Come, you handsome boy. And you super wonderful dog. Super. He's just super wonderful. This is the actually the second morning. He's in our home, and he's absolutely wonderful, well-rounded, easygoing, happy-go-lucky, and wants to kiss everybody. And poor baby, why are you on the street, huh? You're such a poor baby. Are you happy that I saw you and bring you home? Huh? If not, you'll still be going through garbage. It was so sad to see him on the street begging for food and nobody wants to help him. Poor baby, and now you're so sweet. You're gonna have a good home soon, okay? We're gonna find you a very, very good home. Come on, you wanna go walk with me? You wanna get up? You wanna get up? You wanna come? You wanna come? You wanna come? You wanna come? And you wanna play? Oh! Oop! You wanna play? You wanna play? Look how happy I'm a stranger to him. He's a very, very good temper. Very good. No, come here. Not to Annie. No. Look at that body posture. So submissive. Tail's wagging. You're a great dog. What's itchy there? Do you know toys? Have you ever had a toy? Would you like to have this? Do you know sit? Let's see. Do you know sit? Do you know sit? Do you know sit? Not yet? Okay, we'll teach you sit. That's okay. Go sit. And you go. Yeah. You like to play. How about this? Loki? Look here. Loki. What a wonderful boy. You're gonna be one wonderful boy. You're gonna be one lucky boy. You're gonna be one lucky boy. You're gonna be one super lucky boy. You're gonna be one super lucky boy. Did you know that? I love you so much because you're so good. You know you're gonna have a home very soon. You're not only handsome, you're also very good temperament. Oh, you wanna go say hi? You wanna come? Come to me. You want to go meet Wesley? Let's just go down now. Come on. I'm going to hug you. And where are you going to go? Okay, we're going to give you a surprise. Let's go. So we're going to go ahead and just test Loki with my son. He's never met my son Wesley. And Wesley's friend Drew is sleeping over. So let's do this. Hello, kids.
Hello.
Surprise. Hi, Drew.
What's his name?
Yes, this is our new dog. This is Loki. And can you guys tell me how old you guys are?
Okie.
You're Okie Soki?
Yes. You're 8 years old.
You're both 8 years
No,
old?
I'm 0 years.
You're still a baby.
No.
Let mommy hold you.
No.
And
I'm still a baby too. No.
Okay, let me
No.
put you. You guys want to? And are you guys best friends?
Yes.
Yes. Can you give this treat to Loki?
Loki? Loki or Moki?
L-O-K-I? Is that how you pronounce it? Loki. You're a baby. I need to pick you.
No. Can I pet him?
Oh.
Can I pet him?
We'll try. I don't know. That's his first day here.
He won't have woolly on.
We want to test him.
Look at this.
What? Yeah. Look at that. really great dog. Look at that. Relax. First time meeting kids.
I hope you can stand.
Come on, guys. I need your help. Children,
Okay.
are you guys gonna help me?
Yeah. Punchy.
Okay, I just need you guys to pet him, play with him. I think he'll like the ball. Can you guys give him ball
Let's do
toys?
these. Okay. Throw it.
Okay,
Throw it.
but not harsh, okay?
Okay. Wait. No, not like that.
Yeah, not
First,
like that.
you have to let him see it, then throw it. Okay, let me. Give me. Let me try. Give me. I want to try one time. Give me.
Yeah, look at how great. Okay,
Yeah.
and then so, you guys, we have all these toys. But you guys have to let Annie video him so we can help him find a good home.
Suits.
He's so wonderful.
Because
Okay.
he sucks.
Okay.
Boots and boots. Is he in the boot? Hey, Doofy. Go get it.
Too far.
Go get it.
Just like this.
Come on. Give me.
First day. Come on.
Beach,
Be
Papa.
very gentle with him. It's first day. Still a baby.
He's a baby?
He's maybe 6 months old right now.
6 years old?
6 months.
Months. Oh,
Still a little baby. Look at that tail wagging. Absolutely safe.
He's happy.
He's happy. He likes you. He wants to kiss you. Kiss? Give him a kiss. Come
I
on.
got the giant snake.
Oh yeah. Give him a
I got
kiss.
the giant snake.
Yeah.
I got the giant snake.
Which one is my son?
This one.
This one? Okay.
Come on, giant snake.
That's too crazy. Come here. Opa. Sit. You're my son.
Hello.
Oh.
Giant snake.
Yeah. You like him?
Giant snake.
You want to keep him? Oh, we want to keep all of them. Oh, we have to
Giant
find a good home because he's so good, right? We only give people the good dogs, right?
Giant snake. Giant snake.
Yeah.
Giant snake.
Good boy. Look.
Giant snake.
Be careful, Wesley.
Scared him.
Okay.
Giant
It's
snake.
It's too hot here. I should turn on some air conditioner for you guys.
snake.
Can he just hang out with you guys here and play?
Giant snake.